Salam! Today we're going to be making spinach with cheese, Palak Paneer. Pakistanis love eating meat, but we do have lots of veggie dishes too. This one's for the vegetarians. And you can easily make it vegan by substituting the paneer cheese with tofu if you'd like. For blanching, you're going to need 2 bunches of spinach coarsely chopped, enough water to fill up 3/4 of a pot, salt, and a bowl of ice water. 1 pound paneer cheese cut into 1-inch pieces, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to fry them. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter or ghee, 1 yellow onion diced, 1 roma tomato diced, 1 serrano pepper sliced, 4 to 6 garlic cloves minced, 1-inch ginger minced, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon methi aka fenugreek, and salt. Traditionally, the spinach is blanched and blended, cooked down, heavy cream is added, then topped with a tadka or tempered spices. My problem with this is that you lose all the texture. The end product becomes pasty and one note, and you have to bring back depth with heavy cream and flavor with tempering. Instead, we'll skip half those steps to get twice the flavor. Fill up a pot with water, salt, then bring to a boil on high. Add the spinach and blanch for 30 to 60 seconds. This helps to reduce its bitterness while also retains the spinach's brighter green color. Take out, then add to the ice water bowl to stop the cooking process. Once cooled, squeeze out any remaining water in the spinach. Now we'll work on the paneer. In a pan, heat the vegetable oil on medium. Add the paneer and fry for 5 minutes until it starts to brown. Then take out and set aside. Back to the pot, melt the ghee on medium-high. Add cumin seeds and blue mixed oils for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the onion and salt and cook for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add the garlic and ginger and cook until aromatic, only a minute. Add the cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, red chili powder, and fenugreek, and cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Turn the heat down to medium, then add the tomato and cook down for 3 to 5 minutes. The next part is going to come together real fast as spinach cooks in a blink. Turn off the heat, add back the paneer, serrano pepper, and blanched spinach, and mix everything. The residual heat will be just enough to further cook down the spinach. Anything more and it'll start to come out slimy. Bismillah. Yeah, this is way better than the blended Palak Paneer that you get from Desi restaurants. The spinach should be able to hold its own, not just be an accessory to the paneer. The spinach is a lot more fresh, it's not slimy, mushy, pasty. This is how you gotta do it. Do you want the paneer or the spinach?